Hello, my name is Jamie Oler, and on behalf of the whole team here at DropMock, I would like to welcome you to the most exciting video product to hit our market, Kinetic by DropMock. You see, Kinetic by DropMock is a cloud-based app that enables you to create blockbuster videos in just 3 simple clicks. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop slick UI, you will be weaving assets into cutting-edge video designs in just minutes. Literally, you will be creating the most professional-looking marketing videos within minutes from accessing your account. And with the power of DropMock. You see, we've been creating this type of cutting-edge technology for years and servicing hundreds, if not thousands, of clients on a global basis. Today, I'm proud to introduce you to Kinetic, our brand new SaaS cloud-based software. It's an easy-to-use Step 1, Step 2, Step 3 render. No need for fancy editing programs. No need to purchase fancy transitions or lower thirds. We handle all of that for you. We integrate with Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash to have all the content you need to create stunning, eye-catching videos that demand attention from your customers. The ability to use our own video cropping trimmer to facilitate the process for you to add your own video content. Need to crop and trim your photos? Our amazing tool gives you that flexibility as well. Would you like to add upbeat tempo music or slow-moving groovy sounds? Choose from our audio library the best music for your video. You can even edit all the text content to match your message and your call to action. Save all of your rendered projects into your personal video drive. And to top it off, you will receive push and email notifications when your video is finished rendering, freeing you up to create more revenue-generating videos. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go see how Kinetic works. What you'll do is you'll mouse over the Kinetic icon here, click on it. This brings you into the heartbeat of Kinetic, where you're able to choose templates based on the project you're working on. Now, I want to bring your attention to a couple things real quick. First off, you can see the duration of your video. You can actually see the assets that you're going to be creating inside of the video. So, for example, this needs 8 photos, 0 videos, and 8 text overlay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down through the templates and I'm going to look for one that matches my niche, which is real estate. So I see over here this kitchen. I mouse over it and you can either click on preview to preview the video, which is what we're going to do initially. And now the video plays through for us and lets us see all the assets that we're going to be creating. Now, all I'm going to do is click on use. But before I do, I'm going to come back out and just show you I can also choose use right from here. So let's go ahead and click on use. This brings us in to your dashboard where you're going to create all your assets. So for example, this one's telling me I can add 2 images. One is going to be my logo and one is going to be the image behind. We're also going to come over here and scroll over the 2 images right here. One is logo and one is background. Let's go ahead and click on logo. And as you see, we have Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload my own image. So I'm going to do a search for a logo. Okay, and it's going to come up. I'll click on that. And now what's going to happen is it's going to allow me to go ahead and size the logo proportionately to this asset. And I'm going to crop and create this image. Now I want to emphasize to everybody at this moment, nothing is going to change on any of these slides until you render your video. But you'll see you have uploaded your image here. This image is going to go right where you see this DropMock logo. Now I'm going to choose a background image. What I'm going to do for this is I'm actually going to go ahead and find photos. I'm going to choose house, do a search, and all the different houses that we have in here, I'm going to be able to search. I'm going to click on this one. I'll click use. Very simple to do. Now it comes up for me to go ahead and size it to where I want. And then I can go ahead and crop and create. Fantastic. Now that has finished, you'll see the images here. Once again, I want to emphasize, nothing will change on the slides until you finish creating all of your slides, and then our system will render it into a video for you. Let's go to slide number 2. Now, I do want to emphasize right here that you cannot go to the next slide until you finish the slide you're on. So let's try to click the 3rd slide. As you see, it does not allow me to go. I cannot go to the 4th, 5th, or 6th. I have to go ahead and create this asset first. You'll see we have sell your house. we can go ahead and change this text to whatever you want. I'm going to go video sells homes. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. And once again, it's not going to change until we render. But now I can go ahead and create the background image that I want. We're going to go ahead and find photos. And if I had a photo that I wanted to upload, I could do that as well. I'm just going to stick with the different variations we have here. I'm going to go house once again and do a quick search. And I'm going to go to the next page, see what we can find there. Let's go ahead and do a kitchen area. I would like to see a kitchen area. If not, that's okay. But, you know, kitchens. Oh, this is beautiful right here. We're going to go with this one. Click use. Kitchen sells houses. That's why I was saying about a kitchen. And we're going to go ahead and size this as well to show the full glory of this baby. Click crop and create image. Now you see that one is completed as well. And now we can move on to number 3. Before we do, I want to show you one other thing that helps you keep your videos looking crisp. As you see, we have the text. And inside the text, what we've done is we've allowed a character count so we can keep your videos looking extremely professional and keeping it with the style. So what I mean by that is I'll go ahead and take this out, and you'll actually see that you'll have a character count for all of the different text on all your slides. Just make sure you stay within the character count so you can keep your videos looking crisp and clean. On slide number 3, once again, we have 2 sections that we can change here. Insert your photos, insert interior designs to impress clients. Let's go ahead and change this. We're going to be creating this for a real estate client, so we want to take that in consideration. Our first slide was video sells homes. We use video. And you see the green mark. List with us video of your home. Okay, we're going to save that. And now we're going to go ahead and add an image. I'm going to find photos. And I'm going to do kitchen. I want to see if I can find a kitchen this time. I really want to use a kitchen. There we go. Why? Because kitchens sell houses. We're going to go ahead and size the image to the appropriate size we want. Crop and create. Now you'll see 1, 2, and 3 are completed. For the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the last 3, and I'm going to come back whenever it's time to render. Now we're on our last slide right before we render our project. As you'll see, the logo is there, but there's no spot for it here, which means when you first uploaded it on the first slide, your logo is already ready to be rendered. All you're going to need to do on this slide is choose the asset for your final slide. And once again, I'm going to go ahead with a home. And I like this one right here. And then we'll go ahead and size it appropriately the way we want it. Click crop and create image. And now we're ready to render our video. All we're going to do is come up here. We're going to click on render video. Now, as your video is rendering, what you're going to do is you can come over here to my videos. And inside your videos, now you have your video drive where all the videos that you're creating at whatever stage you're at. So this one's 6% done. This one's 11% done. And you'll see it just goes on. And this one wants to be finished. And then we'll scroll down and you'll see our video right now is in the rendering process. Once your video is done rendering, you just click on it. You're able to preview the video in all its glory with your logo, all the slides that you've chosen, the text overlay that you've done, all the assets that you have done. Kinetic by Dropmock has created a professional video that now you're able to go ahead and download. And we're going to save it to our desktop. Congratulations, you've created your very first Kinetic video by Dropmock. If you need any help whatsoever as you're inside of the Dropmock platform, always just come here to support and we're happy to take care of you. Good luck.